everyone. This is their rate of Friday. Today I will present a special song for all the mothers.
Today we celebrate Mother's Day because
My mom is beautiful.
my mom is kind.
My mom is creative. My mom is talented.
My mom is intelligent.
My mom is strong. My mom is careful. She helped me learn our ABCs. She reads my favorite books to me. The way she talks, she gives you right. The way she kisses me goodnight. Mommy and me, mommy and me, mommy makes me happy. Another day, let's celebrate. This song makes my mommy great. My mom is patient. My mom is charming. My mom is cheerful. She gives me hugs and makes me smile. She even carries me a while. And if I need some loving care, my mommy is always there. Mommy and me, mommy and me, mommy makes me happy. I'm always there. Let's celebrate. This song makes my mommy great. I may not say it all the time, but mommy, I'm glad you're mine. Really, that you do. I just want to say I love you. Mommy and me, mommy and me, mommy makes me happy. I'm always say, let's celebrate. This song makes my mommy great. All the songs will never be enough. To express how much we love you, but we want to say 1, 2, 3, Happy Mother's Day!
Gracias chicos por esa grandiosa presentación. Aplauso.